9 months. It's been a long wait, but we're here at the new house and hopefully soon to be detail studio. Doesn't look like it at this time, but I hope to transform this into a nice one-car detailing garage, and I hope you will join me on that journey. So without further ado, let's take a look inside and I'll update you a bit on everything that's happened and of course is going to happen. Here we are again, 9 months later. It's been a lot longer than expected, but we're here and I'm looking forward to continuing my detailing journey. A lot has happened mentally, doing fine, better than before. Physically, also a lot healthier than before. Having some trouble with some histamine stuff, but I'm working on that. And the room that you see here, we use this to move everything into this house. So boxes were stacked almost to the ceiling. And that's mainly the cause why it took so long. And we had a bit of issues with the house regarding some, backwards maintenance or lack of maintenance, so to say. But we're getting on top of that. But yeah, this room that you see here, this was previously a garage and has been used as a storefront. And I'm going to turn it into a garage again, of course. The idea for now is maybe do something like a mini series. I don't want to stretch it too long, but I also don't want to skip details. I hope you'll join me on that journey. I want to document everything with some time lapses and some of my ideas, how or why I do certain things. And hopefully we can get back to detailing soon in this garage. But as you can see, there's some laminate flooring here that's not ideal. So that's got to go. I've already planned to replace the rolling shutters or whatever it is. It's not a garage door, it's not really rollers, but it's something. So in a couple of weeks that will be replaced. The door frame that you saw me walking through will be removed and we'll get a proper garage door that matches the rest of the house. So a big improvement and essential for the detailing garage, of course. We need to get rid of this laminate flooring, and as you can see there's some random cables everywhere, and we also need to see what we're going to do with plumbing and drains and so on. We also have AC, that's a nice little upgrade. Here we have all the detail stuff still in boxes, packed for moving. There's also some new stuff. And we'll have to do something about this lighting setup. This area has also been used by a smoker, so these white walls are, let's just say, not white anymore. I'm gonna run you through a few sketches that I already made. I made them about a year and a half ago already because I couldn't wait for this to be done. And we were in the planning phase, so yeah, I had basically everything worked out and now's the time to get going. So I'm gonna throw those on screen, a few renders that I made in Blender. These are 3 concept images or impressions about how I envision the garage to look like in the end. Or I hope it does, but we'll see. First one, cabinet setup. And this is with the new garage door. In the cabinet I can hopefully fit the compressor. And above you see the hose reels, the ones that I found at an auction. Hopefully there's enough space to mount them there, and then I can get all the electric and air and water in one corner of the garage near the door, so I can use it indoors and outdoors. That's also why there are 3 taps, one for the hose filler, one for the washing area itself, and the other one for the hose rail or the pressure washer. This is with a mini inside, so it's quite a wide garage, especially for Dutch standards. But yeah, The floor, I'm still not sold on what it's going to be. Could be epoxy, could be PVC flooring tiles. We first have to remove the laminate flooring and see what we find and what our options are. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. And I'm glad to be back. I'm a bit anxious recording videos again. A little bit of stress that's coming up. It's a long time ago, 9 months, recorded the last video. So yeah, have to pick up the pace, get used to it, and get going. And I hope you'll join me on transforming this garage into a detailing studio, and then of course detailing some cars, on which we also have a little bit of an update. The Mini's still here, but it's in desperate need of a nice cleaning, so we'll get to that. The BMW will unfortunately be gone next week, but we'll get a nice replacement in return. But I'll leave that surprise for later because we have plenty of work ahead. And it's always nice to have new vehicles to detail, of course, and yeah, see how they work and what techniques or materials that we'll encounter there. So subscribe if you want to see the whole series, see everything happen from start to finish. Like the video if you liked it, and I hope to see you in the next one. Goodbye.